time for or time to? Use time for if it is followed by a thing. Use time to if it is followed by an action. Do is an action. It is a base verb. Do. Doing becomes a thing. You see, you add ing to the base verb and it becomes a thing. Doing. That's something. Something. It's time blank have fun. Have is a verb. It is a base verb. Have. So, it's time to. It's time to have fun. It's time blank fun. Fun is a thing, something. If that's a thing, it's time for. It's time for fun. It's time blank having fun. Have is a base verb, remember? We added ing, and what happened? When we added ing, it became a thing. Having is a thing, it's something. Time for. It's time for. It's time for having fun. So, what's the difference? The difference is the choice of words. The idea is the same. We have slightly different choice of words and word order and forms, but the idea is the same. It's time to have fun. It's time for fun. It's time for having fun. It's time blank breakfast. Breakfast is a thing, something. If that's a thing, say time for. It's time for breakfast. It's time blank have breakfast. Have is a verb. Take a look at the word have. It's a verb. It is a base verb. Time to. Time to have. It is time to have breakfast. It's time to have breakfast. It's time blank English practice. Take a look at the word practice. The word practice is a thing. It's something. Because it's something, say time for. It's time blank practice English. Practice here becomes a verb. It becomes a base verb. Why? Well, because now we change the word order. First is practice and then is English. So it's a base verb. Time to. Here we have English first and practice second. And because of this different word order, we say it's time for English practice because practice is a noun. And here we say it's time to practice English because practice here is a verb. It's time blank learning. Okay, take a look at the word learning. You see the ing ending, of course. And because we added ing to the verb to the base verb learn, it became a thing. So we're gonna say time for. It's time for learning. The last one is for you. It's time blank learn. Learn is a base verb, so you know now what goes after it's time. Of course you do. Tell me in the comments. Thank you.